So we all have that dream of sitting on the beach and collecting a passive income and having to do no work or at the very most little work and having that income come in day after day after day. Or what about this? You're taking a vacation with your family, playing with your kids, having a great time. And when you come back home after doing no work, you got more money in your bank balance than you did before. Is that even possible? What is a passive income? And more importantly, what's the best business to start that today? Those questions are getting answered in this video. What's going on, everybody? It's Emeka coming at you here. And today I want to talk to you about whether or not Kindle self-publishing is truly a passive income business. So first off, let's define what is a passive income. So passive income is money earned through a variety of ventures that require little or no work in order to generate that income. So is a self-publishing business like Kindle self-publishing a true passive income source? Well, I'm going to run through 3 different ways that you can run your self-publishing business and break down each one and talk about the one that I like the most, that I truly believe is the closest thing to a passive income that you can get from this business. So first off, what is self-publishing? So Kindle self-publishing is a very, very simple business. What you do is you find the best-selling books on Amazon, find out what people are searching for in order to find those books, hire a ghostwriting company to write the book for you. Then you take that book and you publish it up on Amazon and market the book on Amazon. And now people will buy your book and Amazon pays you a royalty for it. This is a very simple process that has allowed me and many of my students to scale their business from a few $100s a month to tens of thousands of dollars every single month in passive income. But is it really a passive income? Let's take a look at that a little closer. So if you want a business where you can just do the initial work, grow your income to $10,000 to $15,000 a month, and then walk away from it and never have to worry about it again, yes, Kindle self-publishing will allow you to do that. But are you going to maintain the same income levels over the next few months, few years, forever? Well, let's take a look at this one individual. When he first started self-publishing back in 2013, he was earning $15,000 a month from his self-publishing business. He walked away from that business, and 4 years later, that business was still generating $3,000 to $4,000 every single month in passive income. He didn't publish any more books. He didn't create or run any more ads to his books. So that was 100% pure passive income that was being deposited into his bank account every single month. Now you may look at it, it's like, well, he initially was earning $15,000 when he was active and running the business. Right, he was doing a lot more work in order to maintain those $15,000 income months. But now at $3,000 to $4,000, a number of years later, he's doing absolutely zero work with his publishing business, yet still bringing in a decent amount of income. So that's one way you can look at this business. So another way is this, spending a few hours a day on it. So let's say that you spend 2, 3, 4 hours a day max working on your self-publishing business. So now it's not so passive, but is it better than spending 8 to 12 hours working a regular job? Yes, because those 3 to 4 hours that you might be spending on your self-publishing business is able to generate the equivalent of what people would be spending 12 to 15 hours a day working at a regular job. So the actual amount of work you're going to do is significantly less once the business is going, yet it yields a way higher return in terms of income. So, but this means when you stop putting in those hours every single day, what's going to happen to the business? Well, it's going to eventually start declining. That's just the nature of the business. These assets on Amazon, these books on Amazon, they're not going to remain passive forever. They do require a little bit of TLC in order to maintain that same income level. But my favorite way of doing this business is the last one. This is where you've set up your business, you've done all the work, you've scaled it to $10,000, $15,000 a month, more, whatever the case is. And then what you do is you train and you hire somebody to run that business for you. That allows you to step out, only work with that one individual, and have a true passive income. And this is how I've set up my self-publishing business. And when I'm teaching my students how to do in my self-publishing blueprint, volume 2, learn how to build a self-publishing business and then how to properly hire and train somebody to run that business for you. This creates a business that brings in a passive income every single month where you're working as little as maybe 2 to 3 hours a month on this business now. That is a great passive income now. The key thing you want to be doing here is you want to be running a publishing business. You don't want to get caught up and become a self-publisher of books, because running the business allows you to make the larger decisions, the more important decisions, the decisions that bring in a greater return of your time. And this frees you up to spend energy and time on other business projects, other ventures, or simply chilling on the beach and spending time with your family and your friends. So I still spend an hour or two a month on my self-publishing business. That hour or two a month, though, is spent directly speaking to my manager, and he relays whatever we talk about during that time to the rest of our self-publishing team, and they go out and they go make the business run. They are the gears in my self-publishing business. And this is what I truly believe everyone should be focused on building for themselves in their self-publishing business. It's such a great and easy business to get started with, yet it's so simple that even somebody like yourself can get it going off the ground, learn it well enough that you can train somebody else to run it for you. So you can go off and start doing other ventures and spend time doing the things that you love doing instead of just publishing book after book after book up on Amazon. So if you want more information, hit me up in the comments. We'd love to connect with you. And of course, go check out my selfpublishingblueprint.com. We got some massive things in the work that's going to be coming up very, very soon. Till next time, everybody, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.